All right, guys, hope y'all enjoyed this little training video. It's been a little while since I've shared some of my training sessions on here, so I thought I would just kind of put up one of my recent Monday sessions. I basically just warm up with a few hundred kicks. The main part of my session, I do 12 rounds on the bag, just working on just building up my endurance for like a sparring round. Obviously, it's good to kind of work on just flowing some combinations, just not really thinking too much, just kind of just kicking. And then I finished off with some punching rounds, just trying to develop a little bit more strength in my arms and in my punch. And then finisher burnout is power kicking. So that's kind of my Monday session. I hope you all enjoyed watching. Thank you guys for all the continued support. You guys are awesome. Make sure to let me know what you want to see in future videos in the comments down below. Don't forget to subscribe, like us on Facebook, follow me on Instagram, and I'll see you guys in the next video. I'm exhausted.